Crash Course: The Art and Architecture of Colombia. Colombia's art and architecture reflect the country's rich cultural heritage and diverse influences, ranging from indigenous traditions to colonial influences and contemporary expressions. From colorful murals and sculptures to magnificent colonial buildings and modern architectural marvels, Colombia offers a fascinating journey through artistic expression. In this crash course, we will delve into the captivating world of Colombian art and architecture, exploring its history, notable examples, and the creative spirit that shapes the nation. Story 1. The Legacy of Fernando Botero. One of Colombia's most renowned artists is Fernando Botero, famous for his distinct style characterized by exaggerated proportions. Born in Medellín, Botero's works often depict rotund figures, conveying a sense of humor and irony. His sculptures and paintings can be found in public spaces and museums around the world, including the Botero Museum in Bogotá. Botero's art serves as a testament to Colombia's artistic excellence on the global stage. Story 2. The Colors of Cartagena. Cartagena, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a city known for its vibrant colors and captivating architecture. Walking through the streets of the historic center, one is greeted by colonial buildings with colorful facades and ornate balconies adorned with flowers. The combination of Spanish colonial and Caribbean influences creates a unique architectural style, which has become an iconic symbol of the city. The walled city of Cartagena is a living canvas that showcases the harmonious blend of history, culture, and artistry. Top 12 Art and Architectural Marvels of Colombia. 1. Gold Museum, Museo del Oro. Located in Bogotá, it houses one of the world's most extensive collections of pre-Hispanic gold artifacts. 2. Salt Cathedral of Zipaquirá, a remarkable underground cathedral carved into a salt mine, a testament to Colombian ingenuity and faith. 3. Plaza de Bolívar, the central square in Bogotá, surrounded by important landmarks such as the cathedral, the Palace of Justice, and the Capitol. 4. Teatro de Cristobal Colón, a grand theater in Bogotá, designed in a neoclassical style and known for its exceptional acoustics. 5. Quinta de San Pedro Alejandrino, a historic estate in Santa Marta, where the liberator Simón Bolívar spent his last days. 6. Cartagena's Historic Center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, featuring stunning colonial architecture and vibrant plazas. 7. Montserrat, a mountain in Bogotá with a sanctuary at its peak, offering panoramic views of the city. 8. Medellín's Metro Cable, a cable car system that not only provides transportation but also offers breathtaking views of the city and surrounding landscapes. 9. Casa Terracotta, a unique house made entirely of clay, showcasing the creativity and craftsmanship of Colombian architecture. 10. Gabriel García Márquez Cultural Center, located in Cartagena, dedicated to the renowned Colombian writer and Nobel laureate. 11. Church of San Andrés de Pisambala, a remarkable example of indigenous architectural influence in the department of Cauca. 12. Fernando Botero Museum, a museum in Bogotá dedicated to the works of Fernando Botero, displaying his iconic sculptures and paintings. Summarizing the art and architecture of Colombia. Colombia's art and architecture offer a captivating journey through time, culture, and creativity. From the intricate gold artifacts of ancient civilizations to the colorful facades of colonial buildings and the contemporary masterpieces of renowned artists, Colombia's artistic landscape is as diverse as its people. The country's rich heritage and creative spirit shine through its museums, galleries, public spaces, and iconic landmarks, providing a visual feast for art enthusiasts and architecture aficionados alike. Whether it's exploring the Gold Museum, marveling at the Salt Cathedral, or strolling through the streets of Cartagena, Colombia's art and architecture are sure to leave a lasting impression. Poem. In Colombia, where art takes flight. A tapestry of colors, a vivid sight. From Botero's figures, round and grand, to colonial buildings, a timeless strand. Gold Museum's treasures, gleaming bright, a testament to the nation's ancient might. Salt Cathedral, a cathedral in a mine, where faith and art harmoniously entwine. Plaza de Bolívar, a historic square, where Colombia's past fills the air. Cartagena's beauty, a vibrant hue. Colonial architecture, a dream come true. From Montserrat's peak, the city below, to Casa Terracotta, where clay houses grow. Each landmark, A story, a chapter told. In Colombia's art and architecture bold. Song. Verse 1. In Colombia's heart, where colors collide. Art and architecture, a symphony of pride. From Bogotá to Cartagena's ancient walls. The creative spirit echoes through the halls. Chorus. Colombia, land of art and design. Where history and culture intertwine. From gold museums to majestic spires. The beauty of Colombia never tires. Verse 2. Explore the Salt Cathedral, a masterpiece untold. A sanctuary in the earth, a sight to behold. And Botero's figures, round and grand. They capture the essence of this vibrant land. Chorus. Colombia, land of art and design. Where history and culture intertwine. From gold museums to majestic spires. The beauty of Colombia never tires. Bridge. In Cartagena streets, a story unfurls. Colonial architecture, a visual whirl. The colors, the balconies, a mesmerizing sight. Colombia's art and architecture shining bright. Chorus. Colombia, land of art and design. Where history and culture intertwine. From gold museums to majestic spires. The beauty of Colombia never tires. Ending note. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.